In this guide, we will guide you through how to reverse a video in Capcut. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Firstly, open up Capcut and either create a new project or open up an existing project. So select the video and choose where you want the reverse to begin, and then go to the bottom and click on split. Make sure the video is selected to get the split option, and then choose where you want the reverse to stop, which is here. Once again, make sure the video is selected to have the option to split it. Then go to bottom and scroll across until you go and see reverse, which is just here. So I will go and click on it. Then go and start the process. There will be a bit of processing time if the video is longer. And now when I play it back, as you can see, it is in the reverse. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider liking and subscribing the video.